Nakakatawa 'no? Ikaw yung nasa abroad, pero ikaw yung pinakakonting gamit para sa ito. So palagi yung bagahe mo puno ng pasalubong, pero yung gamit mo luma pa rin. Yung family mo nagpo-post ng mga bagong sapatos, bagong phone, pero ikaw, you still wear the same hoodie, use the same crack phone, and eat the same cheap meals. Not because you don't want more, but because you choose them more. You're not just working abroad, you're building a future na hindi mo pa nararamdaman. Pero nararamdaman na nila. And one day, ikaw rin.